Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm going to be doing a crossword collage like my friend Barbie at Nellie and Ruth Designs. Now Barbie gave me this book. It's not a challenge or a collab or anything like that, but it's just something we can join in if we would like. And she put up a video the other day doing a collage after quite a bit of time, and so I'm going to do one as well. And it's been a while, and here are some of my past collages that I've done, and I've got more because I had a different book, but she sent me this book, and it's been a lot of fun to actually have a book to collage in. So I hope everybody's doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. Be sure and check out Barbie's channel at Nellie and Ruth Designs. She is very talented and a lot of fun. All right. Most of these images have come from Collage Soup, and I'm going to use them and get this down. Not a lot going on. We're supposed to get some cooler weather this week. I mean, we overall have had a fairly mild, we've had a few hot days, but overall it's been quite pleasant this summer. It certainly could have been a lot worse, and I think we've gotten rain at least once every week. And that's very unusual for us because we usually are suffering through drought. Okay, so I'm going to put the whole background here. I love using Collage Soup. You never, let's see, like that. No, this one's gonna go down here. Because you just, you take a collage that's been done and turn it into your own. And I have got this from the Collage Soup that I cut out, and I can add it. Down here, she reminds me of Anne of Green Gables. And let's see here. Maybe scoot this over a little bit. And I've kind of gotten some of the words written down because the only thing she really requires when she did used to have a challenge back in 23. And now it's just to go along with, not really so much a hashtag or a challenge or anything like that. But the only requirement was you could do anything you want, any kind of collage, but you just fill in some of the blocks on your crossword. So I have got this. And let's see. I have got this. So let me start putting some of this down so I have a better idea of where to go from there. Glue. Oops, just that little bit of time and already it stopped up. I think I need to put some more glue in here. There we go. Yeah, Barbie has been having a rough time because of her eye surgery, but it's good to see her back. I always miss her when she has to go away. Okay. That here. Add in my could put it there, but I really like it down here better. I just think it, so I may just have to not have the F or the L. We can figure it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and write it in. Okay. Maybe carry it. I could do that and then just clip the leaf off. Get it up as high as I can. Come on now. Yeah, you can, the days are getting shorter. The time change will be coming up soon. I've just seen they keep it this way. There we go. And then I can just snip. That's pretty. Okay, so now let's get this down. I like just simple collage. It's very relaxing. Come up with your own thing. I just usually don't have much of a theme. I just usually go for pretty or quirky or whatever hits me at the time. There we go. And now, let's see, I have some butterflies. Got that. I'm gonna have one like that. A little one there. One up here. And one down here, maybe. I like those. So let's get those down. And I never get them the same direction. I usually have them to begin with. Okay. And now I want to take my Stabilo All and go around some of these. I know I want to go around this girl. Didn't quite get her all the way down. Kind of excited for fall. It's one of my favorite times of the year. It's just the cooler weather. Just the time of the year with football and all the fun things happening. out the butterflies. And here. Sorry about that, my son just left for work, so I want to finish going around these butterflies. It's really kind of cloudy outside. We're supposed to get a little bit of rain. I mean, there's a slight chance today, but it's really not supposed to come until, you know, the biggest chance is Wednesday, and I'm filming here on Monday. So, whoops, things want to slide. And go around my rows here. I love the collage soup books. They've got beautiful pictures, and they've got fun pictures, and they have got the weirdest pictures, which I love. I love the quirkiness. And to me, they're fun to, you know, play with. Let's see here. And now I just want to go around with my water brush. Now, Barbie is such a great creator. I love her collages. Her surreal are my favorite. And I haven't done a surreal one in a long time. I'm not so good with those. But I need to do it. Just try it out. Have fun with it. I always find pictures to inspire, and then I never get back around to it. I think that's just the way it goes sometimes. I think collaging is my favorite. I like making ephemera. But to me, that's collage too in its own way. But the just the plain collaging is, I guess, my artistic creativity. And get our rose. This butterfly, I've got to remember to give them their antenna. I do like Stabilo. Just adds a little something to it to me. And before I forget, let me get their antenna. So much easier to draw them in than it is to cut them out. And I need to put in the rest of the words I have. I've got, this is just basically naming some of the things on my collage. Flowers, butterfly. Couldn't do flies because I didn't have enough letters. Beauty. Let's see what else we got that we can add. We got rose. I think some of these are moths. Let's see. I don't know. I can do sweet. And I think that's going to be all of the words. And now I do want to add some gold splatters. Okay, let me find my brush. Gold splatters makes everything better. My friend Big Mama Sandy Moore, that's my nickname from her, is Splatters. All right. Well, I am going to call this done. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. And ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Take care. I love you. Be sure and check out Barbie's channel at Nellie and Ruth Designs. And check out the, no hashtag. Just check out her channel. So until next time. Bye, y'all.